and I must say, this is a well-curated program. So I just attended the Overcoming Shyness and Creating Impact seminar that was organized by the Speaking Factory and Introvert Networks Asia for the SkillsFuture Festival, and I must say, this is a well-curated program. The topics were so relevant to almost everyone because the topic in hand was about overcoming shyness, and the reality is I think we are all shy deep down, and having the tools and the knowledge to overcome the shyness in the times that matters most is gold. So thank you, Hazriq, for organizing this wonderful seminar, and I really hope to see this seminar grow even bigger to impact a lot more people. Thank you.